With spring officially here and the weather warming up, I love finding refreshing and healthy ways to amp up the flavor and the nutrients in my family's meals and snacks. One of the easiest ways to do this is by starting with naturally delicious whole food ingredients. Envy apples are a staple in my house because they have the perfect balanced sweetness and satisfying crunch that elevate your apple experience. Now, of course, envy apples are delicious on their own, but I also love that they're the perfect backbone to any recipe. For starters, you're probably noticing a few of the dishes on this table. And one that I want to start with are these decadent envy apple no-bake donuts. These are such a delicious addition to any breakfast, special occasion brunch, or a snack. And they're really easy to make. All you have to do is core each apple and then cut it lengthwise so that you're able to add your favorite toppings, such as cream cheese, nut butter, yogurt, you name it. I also like to do crushed graham crackers on top or diced nuts. And you also know that you're getting all these delicious flavors, plus the high fiber from the apples is doing good for your health. Now, if you're trying to follow a heart-healthy diet or simply just looking for a guilt-free treat, then this next swap is for you. These are my chocolate-dipped envy cookies. Again, super easy and just a few basic ingredients. All you need to do is slice your apple vertically. You're then able to take a cookie cutter and cut out your desired shape. Pro tip, this is a great activity for kids as well. From here, all you do is take some melted white chocolate, or you could do milk chocolate, and then you're going to cover the apple slice with a little bit of the melted chocolate and then add your desired toppings. I love doing sprinkles because, once again, I think this is just such a festive and delicious treat, and it's a really easy, fun way to customize it. Now, of course, with May and summer around the corner, many people are starting to plan different Mother's Day brunches or parties, and they're looking for ways to wow guests with creative hosting dishes that are still health forward. One of my go-tos is making an envy apple cheese board where you swap out some of the crackers for fresh envy apple slices. Not only is this going to look beautiful with their vibrant red skin, but when you slice the apples open, you're going to notice that their creamy white interior actually takes longer to brown. So they're going to stay whiter on your cheese board longer. This makes them the perfect complement to any dipping board. And of course, if you want to help bring out their balanced, delicate, and sweet taste, then I love going over here and making this lemon lime fruit dip to serve on the side. This is so easy to make and so yummy and refreshing. It is just 1 package of cream cheese, 7 ounces of marshmallow cream, 1 juice lemon, 1 juice lime. You're going to stir all this together, and I promise this is going to be a refreshing dip that you are going to want to keep on hand year round. So this spring, Envy Apples invites you to bite and believe and try the apple that has it all. You can go to envyapples.com to find the store nearest you that carries Envy. And then, of course, you want to follow them at Envy Apples for more recipe inspiration.